New York for the 2001 Dodge 2500 is a model. We are green on the track. Decision maker. Green lights on that one. Let's see what we got, Washington County. Go get it. Austin Spinoza, of course, is New York for the Dodge. Keep it working. Looking at 150. Close to 200 if those barrels look correct, and I think they are. 2008 Chevrolet. Uses it off the line, looking good, nice steady start. Hang on. Whoops, hang on. Here we go. Whoa, hang on again. Whoops, that's gonna hurt. Bring her down. Peter, holding that. Keep it going, Peter. Come on, let's put it up in there. Keep it working. We had a 229 to beat. He's there. You got a little leader. Be ready to rip. We have a green. We're good. Come on, bring it down. Tim Schreidner. Keep it going, Tim. Keep working. Weight box is halfway up. It's coming at you. That's 200. You're looking at 250. Keep it working. We might have a 1999 Ford F350 right in the center of the speedway. We're green. We're ready to go. Here it comes. Eric and the Lucas Oil decision maker. 1 of 4 in captivity. So it's just like this. Bring him down. Keep it working, JR. Keep it going. Nice split pull right now. At 200, he's got it going. He's up in there close. Boy, he's making that rear end shock just a little. The working truck. Put the helmet on. We're ready to go. Chaz Wilson out of Fort Edward. Come on, Chaz. Looking good. Wilson Enterprises. There you go. Keep it working. Looking good. Easy. Not even working. That Dodge hasn't even fired it up yet. Keep it going. Bang. Chaz Wilson is second with the Dodge. Come on, Elizabeth. Come on, ladies. Get behind these young ladies. Come on, Elizabeth. Bring it down. Keep it going. Brand new 2000. Yeah, baby. Go. We got a new leader, ladies and gentlemen. All right. Keep it working. Looking at 265 degrees. This is off the line. All 4 of us. Working out of that speedway. Keep it going. Come on, Mel. Melody Arnold. It's still behind you. Weight box is almost up there at 200. And she made it go. Good. That's a Ford. Out of Argyle, Vermont, 1999. Looking good. 4-door. Oh, yeah. They had it rolling. I think off the outside wheel, maybe. Keep it going. Keep it working. I think he did. Box is all the way up at 200. Come on, you Ford fans. Let's go. Bring it down. Nice job. Go. Eric McFerrin out of Hudson Falls, Montana. Bill Husky for Waterford. Nice, even, steady flow. Watching those dials. Woody Miller's running up there with you. Beautiful. 200. Box is all the way up. You see that pan drop right down on the track. Oh, that's working. That's going to work for you. That's going to get him up, Washington County. He's got a good fight on this one. Yes, he does. All right. Good job. 14 will be Paul Sprague on Amsterdam with this Chevy. Here we go. Bring it down. Come on, Mark. Mark Marbury out of Fort Edward. Nice, steady flow. Look at his 265 to beat. He's in there close to 250. Oh, he's got a good start. Okay, he's got a good start, Washington County. He's looking at that 250 very easy. Yeah,